New York City is a winter wonderland during the holiday season, filled with magical Christmas markets that transform the city streets. In today's video, we'll take you through the best Christmas markets you can't miss, each offering a unique holiday experience. And be sure to stick around until the end for special tips to help you make the most of your holiday shopping and festivities in NYC. Bryant Park Winter Village. Starting off with one of NYC's most iconic holiday markets, the Bryant Park Winter Village. This market is a festive oasis located between 40th and 42nd Street. Bryant Park's Winter Village is a full holiday experience with over 100 stalls selling everything from handcrafted gifts, clothes, and jewelry to delicious treats like hot cocoa, mulled wine, and gourmet pretzels. The atmosphere is enhanced by an ice skating rink in the center, which is free if you bring your own skates. The Winter Village is perfect for both solo adventures and family outings, where you can enjoy holiday music, stunning decorations, and grab a festive drink at one of the outdoor bars. The experience feels like a Christmas carnival right in the heart of New York. Union Square Holiday Market. Next, we have the Union Square Holiday Market, which is an iconic destination in NYC for holiday shopping. With over 150 vendors, this market offers an amazing array of gifts, crafts, and tasty seasonal treats. Union Square Market is known for its maze-like setup and festive energy, where you'll find unique items like handcrafted jewelry, quirky art prints, and local artisanal goods. The food stalls are a highlight, serving hot apple cider and gourmet food options. It's one of the most popular Christmas markets in NYC, so you're sure to feel the holiday spirit here. Grand Central Holiday Fair. If you're looking to escape the winter chill, head over to the Grand Central Holiday Fair, located inside the iconic Grand Central Terminal. This indoor market is ideal for those wanting a warm, cozy shopping experience. Here you'll find around 70 high-end stalls offering luxurious gifts like cashmere scarves, artisanal chocolates, and designer bags. The architecture alone is worth the visit, with Grand Central's celestial ceiling and marble staircases creating a majestic backdrop for holiday shopping. The Grand Central Holiday Fair is a must-visit for its unique blend of elegance, history, and holiday charm. Columbus Circle Holiday Market. Nestled at the southwest corner of Central Park, the Columbus Circle Holiday Market offers a more intimate, peaceful experience compared to the busier markets. This market features beautiful handmade crafts, unique candles, and ceramics from local artisans. While you browse, treat yourself to warm drinks and holiday treats. Then take a stroll through Central Park or go ice skating at the nearby Woolman Rink. Columbus Circle's relaxed vibe and holiday spirit make it perfect for those looking to take a break from the city's hustle and bustle. The Oculus Holiday Market. For a modern holiday market experience, visit the Oculus Holiday Market at Westfield World Trade Center. Known for its futuristic architecture, the Oculus becomes a holiday shopping hub with around 20 stalls selling gifts that have a trendy, modern vibe. You can find unique gifts, designer goods, and seasonal treats. Being right by the subway and close to downtown attractions, it's a convenient stop for holiday shopping. The Oculus itself makes for great holiday photos with its impressive architecture decked out in holiday lights. Astoria Holiday Market. For a local experience, head to the Astoria Holiday Market in Queens. Set in the historic Bohemian Hall and Beer Garden, this market has a friendly neighborhood feel, featuring small businesses and artisans selling everything from vintage goods to handcrafted gifts. With mulled wine and bratwurst on offer, you can enjoy a cozy vibe away from the more tourist-heavy spots. The Astoria Market captures the essence of local holiday traditions, making it a warm and inviting stop for holiday shoppers. Harlem Night Market. If you're seeking a market that celebrates NYC's rich cultural diversity, the Harlem Night Market is a unique spot to explore. Located at La Marqueta in central Harlem, this market highlights Harlem's vibrant culture with a mix of food, music, and local vendors. You can find unique handmade gifts, experience live music performances, and enjoy delicious bites like soul food and Caribbean specialties. The Harlem Night Market feels more like a community celebration, offering a more intimate and diverse holiday experience in NYC. Brooklyn Flea Holiday Market. For those who appreciate vintage treasures, the Brooklyn Flea Holiday Market in Dumbo is a must-visit. Known for its one-of-a-kind finds, you'll discover vintage clothing, hip furniture, jewelry, and unique antiques. Located near the Brooklyn Bridge, you can also enjoy stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. The Brooklyn Flea has a trendy vibe and is popular among locals and visitors looking for unique and sustainable holiday gifts. Artists and Fleas at Chelsea Market. Open year-round, but extra festive during the holidays, Artists and Fleas at Chelsea Market is a haven for independent artists and designers. This market offers original, creative items from over 30 local vendors, including handmade jewelry, vintage pieces, and eco-friendly gifts. Chelsea Market also has an incredible food hall, so you can explore artisanal foods from around the world. Located under the High Line, it's a great spot for both holiday shopping and unique NYC food experiences. Grand Holiday Bazaar. Finally, we have the Grand Holiday Bazaar on the Upper West Side. This market operates year-round but transforms into a holiday wonderland in December with over 350 vendors. You'll find everything from handmade holiday decorations and vintage items to gourmet treats. The Grand Holiday Bazaar is not just a shopping experience. It also supports local schools, as all profits go to neighborhood public schools. The festive atmosphere, unique items, and community support make this market a must-visit during the holiday season. With so many fantastic markets, New York City is a true holiday shopping paradise. Tips for visiting NYC's Christmas markets. Here are some tips to make the most of your holiday market adventure. Dress warmly, as many markets are outdoors, and bring cash, as some vendors may not accept cards. Arrive early to avoid crowds, especially at popular spots like Bryant Park and Union Square. If you're interested in trying holiday treats, don't miss seasonal favorites like mulled wine, hot apple cider, and gingerbread. And finally, check each market's website for hours and schedules, as they may vary. If you enjoyed this guide to NYC's holiday markets, be sure to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Give us a like and share this video with friends planning their holiday trip to New York. Let us know in the comments which market you're most excited to visit this season. New York's holiday magic awaits. Plan your visit and experience the festive spirit all over the city.